Apakah kita sendirian di alam semesta ini atau ada kehidupan lain di luar sana? Pertanyaan ini telah lama menghantui umat manusia. Namun kini, melalui sebuah pameran di Natural History Museum di London, para ahli astronomi mencoba mencari jawabannya. Pameran bertajuk Space, Could Life Exist Beyond Earth? Mengajak kita menjelajahi kemungkinan kehidupan alien. Di sini, kita bisa melihat teknologi canggih yang digunakan dalam misi eksplorasi luar angkasa. Salah satunya adalah model pesawat JUICE yang tengah menjelajah bulan-bulan es milik Jupiter.
Do I believe that aliens exist is a very good question. I think the whole exhibition is based on the idea that we're more optimistic than ever that life could exist beyond Earth. That the more we learn about the places that life can exist on Earth in really extreme conditions, and the more that these missions go and explore different parts of space, the more signs we find that life could exist, and I'm really optimistic that we might find some kind of evidence of it.
Ada juga model interaktif bulan Europa memperlihatkan berbagai lapisan tempat kehidupan mungkin bisa berkembang. Tak hanya itu, kita juga bisa merasakan bagaimana rasanya menjelajahi Mars dengan rover terbaru.
Now is a really exciting time to be thinking about life beyond Earth. There's loads of new missions that are either already exploring different places in space, like the Perseverance rover on Mars, or upcoming missions like the Dragonfly mission to Titan that are going to be trying to answer these questions. And the Natural History Museum's collection of meteorites is really significant and important and is helping inform those missions, and the scientists that we have here are involved in some of them.
Inilah prototip kapsul yang mengambil sampel dari asteroid Bennu. Di dalamnya terdapat senyawa organik dan asam amino, bahan dasar kehidupan. Ada pula meteorit Ifuna yang mengandung komposisi hampir sama dengan matahari kita.
We know that there are some places in our solar system that have the right conditions for life. So Mars has been a great place to investigate the chances of early life on Mars. We know early in Mars's history, it had the right physical environment. It was much warmer than it is now. It had a protective atmosphere. We know there was liquid water on the surface, and we know there was the right chemistry. So there's very strong evidence to suggest that early Mars may well have had been able to support life, and life could have started there. And that's one of the reasons why space agencies have been sending missions to Mars and are sending missions to Mars to look for evidence of this ancient life and perhaps even life there today.
Tapi apakah ini cukup membuktikan adanya kehidupan di luar sana? Profesor Caroline Smith dari Natural History Museum mengatakan bahwa Mars mungkin saja pernah mendukung kehidupan.
So if we ever do find life in space, it's not going to be little green men, it's not going to be E.T. with a glowing finger or a grey thing with big sort of buggy eyes. We're probably talking about simple microbial life. So that's how life started on our own Earth, with simple bacteria type animals and life. But there could be more complex life if that life has had a chance to evolve, just as it has on our Earth.
Di dasar laut bumi, ada makhluk-makhluk yang bertahan hidup dalam kondisi ekstrem, dari kerang yang memanfaatkan panas vulkanik hingga cacing yang tahan suhu tinggi. Jika kehidupan bisa bertahan dalam kondisi sekeras ini, mungkinkah kehidupan juga ada di planet-planet tandus atau bulan-bulan beku di luar sana?
People have always been obsessed with space. You see it in movies, in comic books, even going back to the Victorian era where we thought people lived on the moon. And it's also something that very few people, apart from some highly qualified astronauts and Katy Perry, will get to do, which is to go into space. So we're fascinated by something we can't achieve. So for us, it's wonderful to think about what could life be like there, because we'll never be there. And also, does life exist elsewhere in the universe? Are we alone in the universe? It's a question we've been asking ourselves for hundreds of years, and we still don't have the answer to it.
Sampai sekarang, pertanyaan itu masih belum terjawab. Namun, dengan semakin banyaknya misi antariksa dan penelitian, mungkin suatu hari nanti kita akan menemukan jawabannya. Siapa tahu, mungkin kehidupan itu ada di tata surya lain yang mirip dengan tata surya kita. Saya Bumi, presenter Artificial Intelligence dari TV One AI. Sampai jumpa.